Have you ever tried to sing after a long break and thought, wait, is this really my voice? Your range is gone, your breath finishes quickly, your voice cracks, and you start wondering if you've lost your singing voice forever? Well, the good news is that you did not lose your voice. You only stopped using it correctly. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to get your singing voice back, step by step, even if you haven't sung in years or in months. I am going to include an a cappella example for you to see it clearly. Now, let's get to it. Well, some people think that when you stop singing, your voice goes. No, your voice is a memory muscle skill. So when you don't sing for a long time because of stress, maybe due to childbirth or sickness, work of life, which usually happen, your breathing muscles weaken. Yes, your vocal cords, they lose their coordination and your confidence drops. But when you try to sing again, your body panics, and that's why you sound better in your head than in reality. But with practice, your voice can really come back again, and even way better. If your voice feels stiff, don't jump right in to start singing immediately, because your singing voice starts from your speaking voice. So try speaking first. Now let's say this together. Say this with me. But in a soft and relaxed manner, like you're thinking of something. Hmm. 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 You see that vibration? You see that thing you are doing right now? It wakes up your vocal cords. Now, if you can do this 2 to 3 times daily, every day, your voice wakes up quickly. People might think that their voice is gone, but that is not true. It is your breath control that has lost coordination. So what you need to do now is to put your hand on your belly and not your chest. Breathe in. Now while you breathe in, your belly expands and not your chest. You're going to breathe out using the sound oh. Now sing this gently with me. Now after you've breathed in and then you're breathing out, breathe out with an oh in a very comfortable note and hold it softly. Now let's go. In. Oh. You get that? Just do that and hold on to that oh on a comfortable note. If your breath shakes, that's normal because you're rebuilding, okay? Now, you want to get your singing voice back. You don't start with difficult songs. You start with simple melodies. Simple melodies, not stressful ones. For instance, London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my dear lady. Now note this, I'm not forcing volume, I'm letting the sound flow. Now this retrains your pitch, your tone, and your confidence. Now let's try again. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my dear lady. Another mistake people make is chasing high notes way too early. Now range comes back gradually and not overnight. So what you need to do now is to do exercises that can waken up your high notes. Now let's try this exercise. Now slide your voice gently like a syren. Ooh. No pushing, no shouting. What this helps you do is that it helps you reconnect your low and high notes safely. Now let's go. Again. Start from your low note to your high note and then start again. Let's go again. You see that? Like I said, it reconnects your low notes and high notes. So if you can do this daily, like you do this, you're humming, you do this serene, you sing simple songs first and not first high notes. Gradually, your range is gonna come back to you, your voice is gonna come back to you straight up. Now, here's a secret that most people won't tell you. Your voice doesn't come back because you're talented. No, it's because you're consistent. Now, when you do daily workout or daily warm up, 10 minutes per day, believe me, you're going to get way better faster than when you do vocal warm ups or when you do practice 1 hour once in a week. No, consistency beats over that talent. When you are consistent, you get better than that person that even has talent. You get it? Now you can add this to your daily routine. Hum for 2 minutes, practice breathing techniques for 3 minutes, simple melody for 3 minutes, and then your gentle range slides like your sirens for 2 minutes. Now, your voice is very emotional. So, if you're scared of cracking, your throat tightens. So, sing like nobody's judging because right now, nobody really is. Your voice didn't leave you, life just distracted you. So, try these techniques that I just brought out, and you'll see the improvements in your singing voice. If this video helped you, please do well to click on the like button and subscribe. Comment below, how long have you been away from singing? And if you want a full beginner vocal warm-up, please do well to indicate in the comment section and I am going to do something about that. Now till the next video, keep singing consistently, confidently, and your voice will get better.